Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. We have completed the third module of our course where we have learned how to create 3D parts. Now in the next module we will learn how to perform operations on them. In this lecture, we are going to learn about different types of 3D fillets. We use this command to simply round off sharp edges and corners of a part. We had learned fillet options in the second module of sketch operations. This is a similar operation in 3D modeling. Let's use the part that we created in our previous tutorial. So, just go to the fillet command. In the window, you can see 4 different types of fillets. Constant size, variable size, face fillet, and full round fillet. First let us see, constant size fillet. In the items to fillet column, you need to select the edges, or faces that need to be rounded. Here you need to type the radius. And then, there are 3 profiles to select from: circular, conic row and conic radius. We will select the circular option. So just assign the radius, let's say 4 mm. And then select an edge. See, we selected just this part, and it took the whole circumference. Select OK. So our top surface is converted into a smooth structure. Let's try another one. We will change the radius to 6 mm. And select this edge. OK. Look at how smooth it looks now. Let's repeat the same for the bottom face. Though we selected only one edge, but since one side for rounded off, it has selected adjacent edges together. This happened because this feature select the section between 2 sharp corners. Now we will see another type of fillet. Face fillet. Its result is quite similar to constant size fillet. Here we need to select 2 adjacent faces, and the intersection between them will be rounded. We will keep the radius as 6 mm. We can also select multiple faces. This is a time-saving option when you want constant size fillets between a lot of faces. Now let's see how to create variable size fillets. Go to Fillet. Select the variable size option. Let's find the edge we want to convert. Select this edge. In this type of fillet, you can give different radius to different points in the edge. There are 5 points of deflection, you can see on the curve. We will assign radius to each of them. See the preview as appeared according to the size of fillet. There are more options to play with. You can change the number of points you want between the start and end point. Unless specified, always keep smooth transition. I'm increasing this number to 5. See, 2 more points have appeared. Now if I try to click OK, it will show errors if any. We haven't defined the newly added points, so just remove them. Now this says that some radii are too large, let's reduce them too. Finally select OK. This is how the final result will look. Now we will see the last one, full round fillet. I have prepared a separate part for this. By now you already know how to create these kind of basic shapes, so I haven't included it in this video to save your time. Go to fillet, and choose the fourth option, full round fillet. This fillet needs 3 consecutive faces to be selected. Usually the middle one completely disappears and converts in a hemisphere. Our first part is a cylinder, it only has 3 faces. Let's select them one by one. From the preview we can make out that it's going to be almost round. Select OK. Let's assign a color to it. This is how you can simply create a round ball in SolidWorks. Again go to fillet, and select 3 faces of the second body. As I said earlier, the middle face has been completely rounded off. Select OK. Assign the same color to the new face. Now the last option is a hexagon. Let's see how this same option works here. Again go to fillet, and select the faces. Let's see what happens if we choose 2 faces in the second row. See, there is no preview. That means this selection is not allowed. You can either choose one face of the hexagon, or all the 6 faces together. I will delete the second face. Now the preview is visible. Select OK. So this is how we use full round fillet. Here, you don't need to specify any radius. SolidWorks will auto-generate the filleting radius as per the shape and slope of the faces. Thanks for watching this lecture, see you in the next one.